Hello and welcome back, everyone. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. Ordered this, the first off the line select draft picks. It bottomed out at 150 in the Dutch auction, so decided to shoot my shot and see what we could do. So we're looking for autographs here, 3 autographs on average per box. With the first off the line, you get I think number 26 orange Pulsar. We're looking for the animal prints, obviously, the zebras. I believe the tigers have been coming out of these, but I don't think anything's guaranteed for those in any of them. Let me take a look at the back here. So this was a little late getting here. It was supposed to be here Thursday, and it was out for delivery, and apparently the truck must have had issues or something, because it went from out for delivery back to the facility here in town. And ended up getting it a day later and didn't have time to rip it. So here we are on Saturday. I was hoping to have this video out by the weekend, but we'll try to get it Sunday or maybe Monday, see what happens. But a look at what we're after in here. A lot of chances for numbered cards with all the parallels. There's tie-dyes. The color wheel is one of the short prints. And obviously the zebras. So look there, so you're hunting for the ultra rare color wheel and zebra prism inserts. I've seen a lot of these opened, and seems like a pretty fun product from what I've seen. From there. And 3 packs in here, 15 cards per pack. And to look at this new draft class and kind of probably a higher end product that'll be in the draft picks. And this is also going to be my first time opening any first off the line, so excited at that, at least a reasonable price point. It is the college unis, so some people are into them. A little smaller market, but I like the college stuff. So we have Dan Marino, Travis Etienne. So a lot of these are, I don't know if they don't say concourse, field level, all that stuff on the draft picks one. So CJ Stroud for a rookie card, nice. CD Lamb, a Joe Namath, Stephon Diggs, and Jalen Carter rookie card. Something must have been going on with Georgia there, because they don't seem to have any of the Georgia stuff, so they must not have wanted to give licensing to them. So here's our first autograph. Select a Noah Sewell. And there's a look at one of the autos here, rookie card. Nice looking card, not numbered on that one. Throw him in a sleeve. And it looks like he might have played for another team that didn't sign things away. Can't really tell based off that. Not familiar with him. But signs a nice autograph, so I'll give him that. Throw him up in the back here. I'll top load him after the video. So we have our first silver here, Jonathan Taylor with the Badgers, who doesn't have their logo on there as well. And Jalen Hyatt rookie. I don't know if this is a hollow or, I hope it is numbered out of 25. So nice Jalen Hyatt there. I believe he went to the Giants. Has a promising there receiver. So nice card. And Josh Jacobs for the Tide. And do we have another auto maybe in this box here? With Elijah Higgins for Stanford. Oh, and the Josh Jacobs is numbered out of 149 here. We'll throw a sleeve on him after. And we'll just slide that one. And here is a Youth Explosion rookie card for Elijah Higgins. hopefully, since we got 2 autographs in the first pack, that means maybe we get a bonus one along the way. Nice to hit these in a little shorter print. But Youth Explosion, another kind of autograph they do. So you do get a lot of numbered cards out of these. Like I said, they bottomed out in auction. The first off the line at 150, and I see the hobby boxes are coming out at 150. Here's a nice Jalen Hyatt again, turbocharged rookie card. The Sparks, I believe these are hobby exclusive inserts. Will Levis, nice card there. And a Tim Tebow base. So pretty good pack number 1, I'd say. 2 autos. The Jalen Hyatt at 25. And we did not see any of our orange Pulsars. So those are still to come. I think one of those is numbered to 26, if I remember right. All right. So Christian Gonzalez rookie card. There's Mark Andrews, Joey Burrow, George Pickens. Second year now. There's Keely Ringo, rookie. Mike Allstott. Another Kenny Pickett. And here's, I don't know if that's an orange Pulsar, but it's a Robert Griffin III. And it's slipping me what that one is right now. Oh, that might be it. 26 out of 26. So that might be our first off the line. Exciting player in his time, but was very injury prone, so kind of didn't have the longest career, but cool card there. This time with Baylor. And Terrell Davis on the silver. A Kyler Murray out of 199. Let's leave him up. And the Sooners had this a long run of quarterbacks for several years there that were just the top prospects. So, all right, and we have another auto behind this Miles Murphy rookie card for Clemson. Go ahead and flip this one over. Rookie signatures. Oh, man, it's the same guy out of 30. So I'm going to have to look up and see what Noah Sewell. So there is another auto on the, and those are the Pulsars. And that one's out of 30, so good looking card. Can't say I'm real familiar with Noah. So nice card there. And we have 3 autos, so see if we get a bonus one or not here. And here's a Bryce Young rookie numbers. Wouldn't mind hitting some short prints of his. And I don't know what that one is. Just another insert, I believe. Phenomenon. It's a cool looking card. Go ahead and throw it in the sleeve. I don't know if that's a short print or... But nice Bryce Young there. And our last card of the second pack is Travis Kelce. And we'll see up that Miles Murphy for Clemson here, because that one's numbered as well. Nope, that one's not. Just the parallel. All right, let's get to our last pack here. Pretty good box. I like this product. I think for 150 bucks is a pretty good value for a first off the line. And there's Kenneth Walker now, a second year. Tim Brown, AJ Brown, Terry McLaurin, Josh Allen with his time with the Wyoming Cowboys. Tua. There's a nice Bijan rookie. And we have another Pulsar here. And that one is of Dak Prescott. So very nice card. And that one will be numbered out of 26. I think you maybe get 2 or 3 of these a box. It's numbered to 26, Dak Prescott. All right, get to the bottom here. A silver of Tim Tebow. And Andrew Luck out of 75. Another guy who, great talent. Just had a hard time staying healthy there with the Colts. So nice short print there. And we have another Miles Murphy, and behind him looks like we might have a 4th autograph. So I will not complain. And it is to 30. Tyrique Stevenson on the Youth Explosion. Very cool card. So 4 autos when it says 3. So that doesn't happen very often with Panini. Usually you end up getting points or a redemption. So go ahead and move that Robert Griffin and throw that last auto over there. So there we go, 4 autos, and we're promised 3, or on average 3. So we got above the average. All right, now I had that Miles Murphy out of 149 rookie card. Another John Robinson on the select here. Cool insert. And there's a Barry Sanders, and to end it, a Joey Porter rookie. All right. I'd say that was a pretty good box. Getting the extra auto. We had some good numbered cards. Gonna have to look into this Bryce Young. I don't know what insert that is, but it's a good looking card. A lot of numbered cards. Kyler Murray, Miles Murphy, another Miles Murphy. That one's out of 150. Our Robert Griffin, 26 of 26. Out of 75, Andrew Luck. Dak Prescott out of 26 on the Pulsar. And that Bryce Young, not numbered, but definitely a good looking card. And then here in the back are autos. All 4 of them. So the Pulsar, Tyrique Stevenson. Elijah Higgins on the Youth Explosions. And we got Noah Sewell on out of 30, and just more of the base here, rookies. So all rookie autographs, a lot of numbered cards, and a nice Jalen Hyatt here out of 25. So overall, good box. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And like I said, if you're looking for something to rip with the new draft picks in it, this product is pretty affordable. The hobby boxes are on Panini now at 150 as well, so you won't get the first off the line Pulsars, but 3 autographs and you know, good cards in it. So if you want to see more content, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and that'll do it for this rip. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.